Hello, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to use custom hooks and components. So here I prepared the custom hook and my component. Currently I am building an application by using React Native, and this is my application. I use this part and this part in different pages as well. So I decided to create a custom hook for this part and a component for this part. So my custom hooks looks the same. I get URL, items key and filter key to make it dynamic. And basically for my fetch data, I get URL like this, but here it was like this, it was static. And also for here, I get filter key, but it was a different static value here. And for the component, I tried to make everything dynamic like this. I get the props. So let's use custom hook and component. Firstly, I import my custom hook, const, and let's get everything here. This needs some arguments, so let's put them: URL, items key and filter key. So URL is basically here, this one. Item key is here, and filter key is here. So this code became this code basically. So we can delete here. And now I am going to put it under here. And now we can import our dynamic list view. And we need to send some props. Our props is here. So let's send them. So our props is here. So title is going to be this. We are going to put this is going to be filtered items. So basically this code became this code.